Sirens in the background, city burning on the screen, candles flicker red and green, numbers shaking in between. This ain't fiction, this is data mixed with blood and fear. I'm telling you a story that won't turn to ash by morning here. City wakes up, eyes glued to the timeline. Markets breathing panic, every second is a landmine. Political chessboard, grandmasters pulling strings, while civilians pay the cost of every move the king brings. Borders blur the markets, pressure thick like smoke. One tweet detonates, portfolios go broke. Energy spikes, rates jump, inflation hit the door. Factory gate got workers praying, spreadsheets aren't the score. Refugees move silent with their lives inside a bag. Policy decides fast, but the price tag never lags. You can vote, you can speak, but the chart don't care. The market gives the sentence, cold numbers in the air. Risk in the headlines, fear priced into the spread. Bonds start crying, currency losing their head. Counting losses, measuring gains in the red. Economy rewriting rules while the weapons get fed. Heartbeat banging like the market in a panic phase. War in politics encoded in the trades. Risk on the street, profit floating way above. I rap from the front line where the numbers fight the blow. Foreign decisions, local debates, caffeine in the cup. Entrepreneurs calculating if the supply chain holds up. Containers reroute, insurance climbing the wall. Investors scanning maps like where's the safest place to fall. Inflation eating wages, real pay getting thin. Exchange rates dancing while the little dreams cave in. Banks ain't closed, they just holding their breath. Liquidity on standby while the rhetoric bets. I don't praise the weapons, but I know what's on the scale. War near or far, economy feeling the gale. Capital counting numbers while a child asks where's home. That question weighs heavier than interest on a loan. Heartbeat thumping like a margin, call it dawn. Politics and warfare in every trade drawn. Risk in the morning, profit and loss tomorrow. I deliver raw clarity from the edge of the sorrow. Bank account ticking like a bomb with bad yield. Rates twist funny, housing dreams start to peel. Jobs crack brittle when they break, community falls. Political talk, just gasoline on the walls. Global chain, local hands, shipment running late. Small business burning while the market says wait. Investors flip position, short, long, crypto play. But the real price ain't the ticker, it's the life on display. There was a family past the edge of town. Working class living, wages holding them down. Dad clocked in mornings, news at night on repeat. Kid asked what happens when the money leaves the street. He sliced the bread slow. No answer came out. Silence louder than the sirens, thicker than doubt. Downtown protests, flags snapping sharp. Markets watching laws like a hawk in the dark. Every rule got a balance, every tax got a weight. Every policy hides who's winning the race. Where's the line between diplomacy and greed? Who prices peak? Who collects the fee? Market holds the mirror, but it cracks when blood runs. What's left if humanity pulls the trigger, not funds? Heartbeat racing like a flash crash wave. War, politics, investments enslaved. Risk every sunrise, profit or pain. I bring the word so you see the front line plain. I don't just mourn, I blueprint repair. Infrastructure, jobs, education, fair. Green energy, diversify the source. Local economy strong enough to fight the force. Transparent politics, predictable law. Capital stays visible, not hiding in fault. Sustainable profits, social return. If money circulates without killing, futures earned. Beat fades, but the rhythm stays etched. Every choice leaves scars, long stretch. Read the headlines, but watch the human fate. When markets fall, the real scale is who survives the race.